Berries, and welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're doing the classy nails French tip almond shape, and it's medium length. Y'all know I love a good medium French tip, and this is going to be my first time doing the almond shape, and we're going to make a little spring and summer art design at the end of the video. Again, if you are new here, my name is Audrey Loveberry. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Lovely Berry Squad. Comment down below if you've tried these nails and let me know how you like them. Y'all really, I love a good French tip. It's so professional, so classy, and great for everyday wear. All right, continue to watch, and I appreciate you clicking on my video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Only the king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body's over the king body. Body gon' shine, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only the king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Pop everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 King, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only the king.
Say that you love him, and you really know.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're riding around the love, riding around the trip, riding around the dick. Riding around the slap me up, the dick, I'm throwing a fit. Riding around the world, play, riding around, talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body takes that, that you do know. But we'll never fall out of love with you. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We ride around the love, ride around the trip, ride around the dick. Ride around the slap me out the dick. I'm throwing a fit. Ride around the world, play. You ride around talking to me. Oh, yeah, feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I should do know, but we'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
Okay, y'all. So at first, the first design that I tried to do, it didn't really pan out because the balls they're a little too big. So I decided instead of doing that design that you had seen on my phone there, I decided, I could make like a cute little flower. So this is me attempting to make a flower.
Everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body's so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Falling on the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live with king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Pop everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 Don't live a king, you know it. King already, you know it. Stop everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling on the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live a king.
I know you're like, that doesn't really look like a flower. Okay, that was my attempt. It's still cute. So I'm thinking it's like some cute little grapes, some fruit. That's still springy and summertimey. So I still think it's cute. It has the spring, summertime colors. And yeah, that's the design that I came up with. Sometimes things don't go your way, but you can still make something cute out of it. So yeah, that's what I did on that side. And then I'm just going to redo it on the other side.
Everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. Shine already, it's time already. Shine already, it's time already. Shine already, it's time already.
be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Make more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it through. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, clear. Right around talking to me. Oh, feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body, baby, that you do know. But we'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad.
Alrighty, y'all. So this is the final result. Simple and cute spring summer nails. It didn't. It came out great and pretty. Of course, it wasn't the first result that I thought it was going to be, but sometimes things don't go your way. But in the end, they always come out good. All right, comment down below. Again, if you've tried these nails, what kind of design would you put on those nails? And please, please, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I guess this is me here saying something about the colors. I honestly don't remember, but you can use any one of those colors and it would be really cute. I will see about doing another style. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you comment and subscribe. Bye!